Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on the Monkeys cruise. We are heading to Party Island by someone's called Gili Trawangan. Sit, relax, Saturn. You don't need to actually fasten your seatbelt, but it's highly recommended to grab the bintangs. Local time is 10 a.m. and it's super hot, guys. Enjoy! Hello world, another day in Lombok. Actually today we are going to Gili Islands, probably Gili Trawangan. When it's already inside, we found some company who gonna organize us boat. I think private boat, because public and private, they are pretty similar prices. So we're gonna explain, and meanwhile it seems like actually quite busy. Many big buses are coming already, and this is the street situation. This is the boat situation. I mean the harbor situation. We are going to the boat. That's my captain. All right, let's go. The kids at morning, they already playing in the water. The guy gonna prepare the boat. We have a shoe. That's not the best idea. However, we're gonna jump on it. Honey, where are you?
All right, so we book a private charter to go to Gili Trawangan because we think that if we go by, like public boat, I know that cheaper, only 20k, but here we just, quick, boom, boom, chick, chick, and arrive in Gili Trawangan with private drivers, private boat drivers. private driver.
Honey, get ready lah. I will open for you again. Cheers, honey. Enjoy your holiday, yeah. Sayang, how do you feel on the private boat?
So good, more comfortable and more faster than the public boat, and also only you are here, so it's very nice. The price also is not that expensive.
Just 10 minutes and we arrive to Gili Trawangan.
Special time for you, buddy.
Thanks so much.
Okay, so the boat driver super fun, and this is a super cool trip to Gili Trawangan.
Honey, just be careful lah.
Makasih kakak.
Alright.
Nanti aku WA yo.
Alright, we just arrived 10 minutes and we are in Gili Trawangan. This is the boat, lovely captain.
Alright,
Honey,
so
I just realized this is new harbor.
yes,
When I was
think,
last time in 2020, it wasn't like that.
yeah, so I think that during the pandemic, like 2 years, they really make it better. And look, this Gili Trawangan looks so busy. You can see around.
Yeah, and look at the color of the water, by the way, and look how many tourists are around. How business is growing in this. He tried to sell something. Alright guys, it's 10:15 a.m. at morning, weekday, and it's unbelievably busy actually, sayang.
Yes.
And this is new harbor, really. I don't remember this. And
so, yeah, what I can say, it's really good to see that how Gili Island is already back. The tourists already back. You see, surround with domestic and international tourists. So nice.
So nice. Check this out. Check this out. So many people actually everywhere around. That's unbelievable. It's definitely much more busier than, I don't know, than Bali or Lombok, right? Look at this lady. She's cruising by the horse, by herself. That's also very interesting. Mantap. We have to, I think we have to rent a bike, yeah?
Let's go.
Let's walk around. And this is very characteristic rickshaw in Lombok with horse. Hello, that lady. Like this. This is the only taxi here. Many tourists actually around. Also interesting fact, in Gili Island there is no motorbikes and no cars. But as you are tourist, you can only rent the bicycle, push bike. No electric for rent. Only some locals have electric scooters here. This is some diving company here. Seems busy. People walking everywhere. Around here. Ani seems busy lah.
Oh, berapa sepedanya?
Kalau minat, 80.
Oh my God, so mahal, my friend. Dealing with the bicycle. How much he asked?
80.
Oh
Even
my.
that we are not, we didn't sleep here. I mean, we didn't sleep over here.
We are just here for like 2-3 hours because we
2-3
have
hours.
a private boat showing you around. It's so hot, by the way.
No open ticket because you
some people seems like some problems with the public boat.
So yeah, if you ask us, it's okay to go to the, you know, like the public boat. I know that the cheaper is around 25K from the Bangsal port, or so yeah, I prefer to go to the private charter speedboat because, you know, like faster, much faster, around 10 minutes. And you know that Damian somehow get the seasick last time. If you see the old videos, when at the beginning of pandemic, Damian went here and then he was sick, you know, like going with the public boat. So that's why we just decided.
And the public boats actually just behind me. I used to go in 2 years ago in a public boat, but it's not the best experience. It's similar experience like my train in Vietnam last week. So sometimes better you take something private and enjoy, especially if you are not alone, it's already worth it. But if you are a group with more than 2 people, it's even more worth it. So.
Bisa tolong kalian kabut. Mengirim barang saya ke Lombok.
Honey, what is your first impression when you arrived to Gili?
Wow, this is showing that the tourism already back, and so happy.
Especially in Gili Trawangan, yeah.
Yeah, because last time that I think that when you were here, so I can say that.
Oh my God, that
now?
was disaster that time. I remember. You can watch my old video actually if you want to back with memories. But now it's definitely like seems like almost all is open, yeah. So check this out. This is the current condition on the streets. It's really not that bad. I mean, it's actually pretty busy. What do you think, honey?
Yeah. So.
Yeah.
See, people even over you. Are you snorkeling now? I just said,
No snow.
I will be back to Bali soon.
That's
Okay,
true,
bye-bye.
actually.
Yeah.
That's actually true. But yeah, anyway, the situation on the street, they have a kebab also in Gili. People cycling. So much is going around actually. It's very hot, but it's very enjoyable. That's for sure. And this is the area of the harbor. Harbor is just next to the, I don't know, this shop here. Just a few hundred meters between the old harbor. But check this out. Look at this.
So many young tourists coming to the. They said that the Gili Trawangan is famous for the party island. You see?
This guy is after party
so
for sure.
cool.
No
I
offense,
know.
right? But check
So
this out.
happy to be back.
This is the area of the night market in Gili. It's just very close to the harbor actually. You can see the harbor over there. And this is the market. And I can say they really used the time when it was closed to make some developments here. Okay, it's the morning time, so it's closed, but at night it's gonna be very busy here and you can buy many nice things. So they really put some effort here, yeah?
Yes, so it seems like during the pandemic, like say 2 years ago, they really make it better. I mean, like the the infrastructure and everything, they make it better. So let's go there.
So many people cycling. The local ladies wave to me, honey, don't be jealous, okay? I'm not interested. Anyway, guys, if you will ask, we just come here with private boat for a few hours, literally maybe 2-3 hours, show you around, and we are going to Bali tomorrow. So we're not staying overnight here. However, I hope so you enjoyed the video from Gili. It's especially exclusively for you guys because so many requests we got to come to Gili and show us around. So yeah, and Gili is back. I can say that. Some diving situation, if you would like to dive, it's open, it's busy, it's loud. There are some already courses. Life is back.
So happy. This is the happiest thing that I don't know that I can feel when I'm in Lombok.
More tourists here. Yo, yo, yo. And yeah, it seems like a long time ago, really. Very similar, maybe not 100%, but very similar, like it was before. Yo, bro. All good? How's the business? All good? Not so good yet. Not today, but yesterday, okay. I'm trying to get... Yeah, maybe later, my friend, okay? Yeah, maybe later. Okay, I know you have a good stuff.
Are you?
Good stuff, for sure, I believe
Love
so. In Vietnam, they also had a good stuff, but here they have a magic stuff, guys, if you know what I mean.
Magic things
stuff.
that can make you fly.
Almost you can see elephants in Gili, you know, but they are not native here. So this is some sort of club, restaurant, beach situation and walkway. I'm gonna quickly show you just how it looks like on the beach in Gili Trawangan. just in case if you ask if you've never been here. So the beach looks like this, the sun looks like this, watercolor is so blue turquoise. Gili Air or Gili Meno, I already forgot. I think Gili Meno and Gili Air behind, Lombok, and somewhere there also you could see the Bali later on. Sayang, let's grab some place for drink, yeah?
Yeah.
It's so hot in Gili. I mean, it's definitely more hotter than in Bali and in Lombok. Always was, but today it's like super hot. But the weather is beautiful. Some another dealing of the bicycle, local people. Yeah. At the beginning they said as the bicycle is about 80,000, but the normal price in Gili is 50,000, or at least it was 2 years ago and previous years, yeah?
Yeah,
But
so-
especially if you're coming for 2 hours or 3 hours, it's like, because this is the price for 24 hours in general, right? Some people making a YouTube here, I think so, or something. I showed them a little bit. This is the Natis, we have a nice bar on the top, maybe we can enjoy with the beautiful view over here. Honey, what do you think?
Yeah, let's stop here.
Our old place, yeah?
Let's stop here.
Yeah, let's go. Oh, they have a bar open. But the color of the water in Gili, guys, amazing. And the beautiful coconut trees as well. And in case if you're thinking how hot is it, that's hot is it. As the water, I mean sweat, like it's coming like a tears. Having some drinks and just another group of people arrived by the boat. Also private speedboat over here, the red one. So yeah, seems like it's going to be busy here.
Yo la vi pasar, me enamoró su mirar. Ese día conmigo bailó, yo sabía que quería más. Todo su resplandor, lo que muestras es solo amor. Es tan fuerte que solo vos te adueñaste del corazón. Baby, tú dame de tu amor, dame lo que necesito, esos besos. Baby, tú dame de tu amor, no importa si tú me robas 1000 besos. Ella le dice a todos que tiene novio, que soy un baby, que su vida adorno. A ella le encanta cómo siente mis besos, si siente amor en esos labios bien hechos. Lo más lindo que he podido tener es el amor que me ha dado esa mujer. Desde chiquito empezamos de besos y nos funcionó al parecer, baby.
More and more people coming all the time as the big boat Ekajaya arrived, as I said, from Bali, I guess. So yeah, seems actually you can hear the sound of the boat and the people coming and coming. Taxis driving and driving, and yeah, that's it. That's how it is. Welcome to Gili Islands, especially Gili Trawangan.
So it's lunchtime and we decide to have lunch. I order one local food. Yes, ya segitu. Tahu pakai telur ini. Terus ini ayam manis ya. Ayam. Pakai sausnya? Oh, enggak. Terus ikan. Enggak. Ikan. So nice.
Meanwhile, the Lombok is that hot. I mean, the Gili Trawangan, Gili Islands are that hot. It's 1 hour, 15 minutes later. I already feel like I'm overheated. Sayang already hungry. And in general, it's so hot. If you're thinking as Bali is hot, come to Gili, you will experience the real heat. But yeah, I hope so you will enjoy our vlog today from Gili. Special request for many of you guys. Oh, and Winnie also said it's actually quite many people. That's really true, yeah. But it's so hard actually to find any kind of food, at least before 1-2 p.m. Yeah, they said as usually they open for lunch, late lunch, dinner, but at morning only drinks. They have a radler. I'm so happy with that, refreshing, and cold water so I can cool down my head a little bit. Yeah, so I was just cooling myself, and this is my friend Ham from where? New Zealand, yeah?
New Zealand.
2 years watching us, and we met in Gili Trawangan. Can you imagine?
Me and my
guys?
daughter Georgia watched this couple. We're a long time follow on YouTube through the cover. Absolutely really good. Yeah.
And you enjoy them?
Oh, brilliant.
All right, thank you so much.
Forget to press the red button.
Exactly, red button. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Take care.
Take care.
Have a good day.
All right, welcome to Makan Cantik. Too much heat already. Anyway, beautiful, beautiful burger, right?
Makan ganteng.
Welcome to Makan Ganteng.
Okay, keep
I don't
going.
know, whatever. Beautiful burger arrived. We found the food, homemade cheap chicken burger with bacon. So all is good.
So this is the local food vendors. When it's night time, it will be the night market. And yeah, I will take you to stroll around how is Gili Trawangan business inside. Some of the shops are still closed, maybe gone bankruptcy, or some are open, basically just like this. And yeah, I will take you around, guys. Like this one, even the doctor here used to be an ATM. Hello, Pak. And that one, the shop. And yeah, this is how it is. And also the tourist information if you go inside. What I can say, yeah, you see that some of the shops are still closed, like this one, burger shop, and it looks deserted like this. And some of the local works basically. And just like I told you, this area is closed by the night market. So there are so many food vendors here. Just like this.
Little bit of the prices. My burger, Radler, Winnie's food, 110 in Gili, not so bad. Also remember, guys, in Gili, everything is a little bit more pricey because everything is imported from Lombok Island or eventually from Bali, guys. So keep it in mind. We are going back to Lombok, right?
Yes.
Our short trip almost over in Gili Trawangan. We were here like 2 hours. There were more and more people coming and coming. That's unbelievable, actually. To be honest, I'm impressed about that. And I think our guy gonna arrive soon. But meanwhile, quite busy. But so happy as they make this harbor actually so convenient right now. Honestly, one more time, I'm so impressed about how Gili Trawangan handled the harbor. This is so convenient and really big stamp up for that. Definitely traveling to Gili is totally different now and much easier than when I was last time 2 years ago.
Well, basically, if you want to have the speedboat, they also have the shared speedboat. Cost you one way, just 125K. And then for back, probably like 250K per person. But we charged, we took the private charter boat. We paid around 500. So yeah, just only us in the boat. So I think
and
that
whenever we want, right?
whenever we want. I mean, like what time that we will pick up, what time that they will drop us. So it's based on our schedule. So for the public one, you need to wait for the schedule until some people already full, so they will leave. But the private one is just like it's up to you.
Sayang is getting on the boat. Too much mushroom in Gili. Too much mushroom, sayang. Magic stuff.
If you want to, I'll get you flowers waiting around the bend. Baby, let's just pretend. stay right here with you.
Alright, guys.
That was the trip, right? So hot. We just arrived and it's raining in St. Gigi. We already checked out, so we are going to the last night to where we are going actually?
We will stay in Mataram City Center, and then we will show you how is Mataram City Center basically. And then we didn't stay over in Gili Trawangan.
So yeah, waiting when the rain gonna finish.
Oops.
You hear that? It's actually a thunderstorm, and we're gonna go to Mataram. And tomorrow we're going back to Bali, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope so you enjoyed the Gili video today, and see you tomorrow.
Bye.